First class. And there we go.
Nope, we're not done. This is up there with the Monaco. Nope, still not done. I'm saying this for the camera. Just kidding. There's like 10 red doors. Let's see. Yep, just as I think. Let's close the door. Cute little. There's our schmancy view.
What?
Yep. Ooh, I wonder if we can get to the rooftop. I want to be able to just take a picture of it. Photo translate.
Are you good? I'm recording you.
That's prosciutto. Do we eat this stuff right here?
No, it's more like the skin. So here we are in Paris. I took off yesterday at 7 p.m. Waited 4 hours to get on the plane. We flew with, what was it called? French Bee? French Bee, first class essentially. It's really nice. Champagne, wine, dinner, breakfast. And we arrived in Paris about 4 o'clock. Took a cab to our location here on 7 something. I'll have to get back to you on that. It's in central part of Paris. Had to do 72 steps. The heavy ass luggage right there. In a windy little staircase. That was fun. Tia was laughing. And we went to dinner.
I was walking up those stairs too.
Went to dinner. Tomorrow we have
The bus tour.
the bus tour.
And
I think a few
Moulin
other.
Rouge.
And Moulin Rouge show and dinner. So stay tuned. And this is our outdoor window.